Tammy from Oso Country, bringing you the zipper jig. This is our zipper jig that we use with our zippers by the yard to put your zipper heads on. When it comes out of the package, there is a double-sided adhesive that you can take off and mount. You want it to mount with the big side opening towards you, like so. And then you're ready to go. You take your zipper head, you put it in upside down with the nose facing you. With the zipper upside down, come in at an angle, and that's all there is to it. Zipper head upside down with the nose facing you, the rounded part. Zipper tape upside down at an angle. And there you go. So, if you haven't gotten one, come on down to Oso Country and get your zipper jig.